Hello there. So finally got my clutch hub in. Runs awesome. And those are my new foot pegs. I need to put the side cover back on. I also changed out 130, I believe, milliliters of fork oil. And I put 30 weight in. Night and day. I got the Michelin Power Pures SC tires. You can't even see. Let me show you the back one. Michelin. Can I turn this flash on? Torch on. Alright. Power Pure SC. Once I put that cover on, it should hide that a little bit. Sound effects in the background. Yeah, I still have those. Just to get used to those, I literally took my clutch apart and fixed it. Dumb me, over torqued the clutch hub bolts and snapped a few off. Yeah, wasn't a good day, but got brand new for like 25 bucks. Took a while, but back in action. And I apologize if you see my feet in this video. It just rained, so I'm like dancing in the rain. But I went with a different clutch. Like that's actually the original, the stock clutch lever. That's what I was using. And it just did not give enough play. So I just painted it green. You know, I kind of like that better, honestly. But if I go all the way down, I can't change gears. I have to be like that. Which is fine. You know, because usually I'm a 2 finger. So bam, 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 bam. Anyway. But yeah. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And that's my sister's $300. Runs great. This is my Mad Dog Gen 4. My girlfriend, same house, girl, almost fiance, you know. That's her helmet, and I let her drive this. That's a 171. Excuse me. Damn COVID. Not really, but dude, I'm probably like upside down. And it's got an alarm. Really? But yeah, it's my little scoot shot. Got extra tires, parts, welder, awesome speaker, tire changer. I don't know what I'm going to put over there. And just extra parts, mainly for those. But if I buy one part, I usually buy 3, you know. So I actually have 2 clutch hubs coming. Whatever one got here first I use, so I got a backup. I'm not made of money or nothing, but I don't have too many toys. But if somebody else around me has the same kind of vehicle, then, dude, I want to help you out. Bam. All right. Well, it's probably boring for a lot of you. So, 120 in the front. And 140 in the back. That's what I went with. Custom bracket. Nothing special for putting on a exhaust can. Because you had to take off the passenger side. On this side, I know it's probably backwards, but that's where the exhaust hooked up to stock. So, and I got a adjustable shock coming. This is the 210cc with a superhead. Yeah, superhead. All right. Yep. Stay safe, guys. Had a few people get into bad accidents and die recently, and it seems like it's getting more and more each year. So just be safe. It's not you, it's them. All right.